Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. In this video, I will show you how to install XAMPP server in Windows 10. So for that, search for XAMPP server in your browser and you will get this page. If your Windows is of 64-bit, download 64-bit, or else if your Windows is of 32-bit, download 32-bit version of XAMPP server. So download the newer version of it. So here it is, you can download. After completion of the download, open that file and double click on it. Now you will get this page. Here click on next, here also next. Now you have to select the folder where you have to install the XAMPP server and click on next. Click on next here. It is installing now. If your Windows Defender firewall blocks installation, please click on allow access here. Okay, now the installation is done. Click on finish. Select the language here. Here your server is. Now we have to start the server. Here you can see start option is there. Click on it. So now your Apache server is started. To check whether your Apache server is installed properly, just go to your web browser and there type localhost. You will get this page if your XAMPP server is installed properly. To access the phpMyAdmin, here you have to start the MySQL. Click on start here. Here is a problem, it is not starting properly. So there is a problem in MySQL. So we will try to solve that problem. So go to configuration, click on that, and here you can see my.ini file. Click on that. So here we have to change the port number. So one is here, it is mentioned as 3306, make it 3307. And here also make it 3307 and save the file. And in here click on config. In this page select service and port settings. Now here select MySQL and here also change the port number to 3307 and save it. Save it also. And now try to start the MySQL server. Click on allow access. And now the problem is solved. So now the MySQL is, so now the phpMyAdmin is showing some error. I will show you